Across southern and eastern parts of Europe, the heat wave continues, this at times triggering some thunderstorms. But across much of southern Europe, it should remain mostly settled, plenty of sunshine. But as we head our way towards northwest Spain, southern parts of France and across Switzerland, it's likely that we'll see some intense thunderstorms, some hail and also some frequent lightning. But moving away eastwards across the Mediterranean, the settled conditions will continue. So plenty of sunshine into next week, but still those intense temperatures. Hello there, good morning. Welcome to your GB News weather update from the Met Office. It is often going to be cloudy over the weekend, some rain and also some showers, particularly in the west, but there will be some brighter spells at times. Now the rain is set to be quite persistent, particularly across western parts of Scotland, where we do have a Met Office warning in force for heavy rainfall, and it could also be quite blustery here, a risk of coastal gales across western parts of Scotland. Elsewhere across the west, particularly across Devon and Cornwall, southern parts of Wales, once again some persistent and possibly at times heavy outbreaks of rain, but the best of the brightness is set to be across central areas and parts of the southeast. This is where it's going to feel warm, quite muggy, highs reaching around 25 degrees Celsius. To finish off the day in Scotland, once again we are going to continue to see those outbreaks of rain, particularly across the northwest. Still blustery at times, though we should start to see winds ease away later on into the night, and fairly similar across Northern Ireland, northern parts of England. Often cloudy with some light outbreaks of rain and drizzle. Now we could start to see this rain turning a little heavy at times, once again particularly across Devon and Cornwall, elsewhere across southern counties. But through the course of the evening, overnight, we should eventually start to see that rain ease away, allowing a few more clearer skies, but it's still across western areas that we'll start to see that rain still continue through the early hours of Sunday, but turning a little less blustery. However, it is still going to be another mild and uncomfortable night. Temperatures across central areas and parts of the southeast not dropping much past 15 to 16 degrees Celsius. So it is set to be a warm, mild start to the day, but it will turn fresher as things move forward. Yes, there are still outbreaks of rain, but these once again easing away, and we should see some brighter skies, though there is still the risk of showers, particularly across East Anglia into the afternoon. These could turn heavy, maybe even thundery. So feeling a little fresher, still warm in the sunshine though, highs reaching around 24 degrees Celsius.